Hi to everyone! In this video, we are going to discuss about differentiation rules in exponential functions. So, the derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x times ln of a. But take note, where a is greater than 0. And the derivative of a raised to u, where u is a function, okay? So, a raised to u times ln a times the derivatives of u, where a is greater than 0. So that is the way how are you going to take the derivative of exponential function. Example number 1, y is equal to 5 raised to x. What is the derivative of this function? Y prime is equal to 5 raised to x times ln a. So our a here is 5 ln 5. So that is now the derivative of this function. The derivative of y is equal to 5 raised to x is 5 raised to x ln 5. Example number 2. Y is equal to 3 raised to 2x plus 1. So, what is the derivative of this function? So, we're going to use now this derivatives of a raised to u. So, y prime is equal to a raised to u. This is our a raised to u. 3 raised to 2x plus 1 times ln a. So, our a here is 3. Ln 3 times the derivatives of u, or the exponent. So, the derivative of 2x plus 1 is 2. Okay, so let's simplify. So, this will become y prime is equal to 2 times 3 raised to 2x plus 1 ln 3. 3 raised to 2x plus 1, we can expand this. So 2 times 3 raised to 2x times 3. So we separated 2x plus 1 by applying the laws of exponent, ln 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 raised to 2x ln 3. So this is now the answer, or the derivative of 3 raised to 2x plus 1, 6 times 3 raised to 2x ln 3. Another example, example number 3. What is the derivative of y is equal to 7x squared? So the derivative of y is y prime is equal to 7x squared. So we're going to use this formula, a raised to u times ln a. Ln, our a here is 7, and then multiplied by the derivatives of u. So our u here is x squared. So what is the derivative of x squared? 2x. So the derivative of x squared is 2x. Then simplify, or that is now the answer, 2x times 7x squared ln 7. So the derivative of 7x squared is 2x times 7x squared ln 7. Another rule in finding the derivative of exponential function. The derivative of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. And the derivative of e raised to u is equal to e raised to u times the derivative of u. Okay? So let's apply this rule in finding the derivatives of the following function. Example number 4. Y is equal to 4e raised to x. What is the derivative of this? So the derivative of y is y prime is equal to derivative of 4e raised to x. So since this is a coefficient, let's copy 4 and then take the derivative of e raised to x. The derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x also. So the derivative of 4e raised to x is 4e raised to x also. Number 5. Y is equal to e raised to 2x squared. So we're going to apply the derivatives of e raised to u. So our u here is 2x squared. Okay? So y prime is equal to e raised to 2x squared times the derivative of the u. This is our u. What is the derivative of this? Okay? So our u is 2x squared. So the derivatives of u is 2 times 2, which is 4. Subtract 1 to the exponent. So the exponent now is 1. So the derivative of 2x squared is 4x. So the derivative of u is 4x. So our final answer here is 4x e raised to 2x squared. So that is the derivative of e raised to 2x squared. Another example, y is equal to e raised to 2x minus 5. So the exponent here is u. Okay? So, u. Our u here is 2x minus 5. So if we're going to take the derivatives of u, the derivative of 2x minus 5, so derivative of 2x is 2. Derivative of 5 is 0. That's a constant. Okay, so let's apply now this. Y prime is equal to e raised to u. So this is our e raised to u. E raised to 2x minus 5 times the derivatives of u. So the derivatives of u is 2. Okay? So y prime here is equal to 2 e raised to 2x minus 5. So the derivative of e raised to 2x minus 5 is 2e raised to 2x minus 5. So that's the way how are you going to find the derivative of exponential function.